Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Snort tool inside this Ubuntu Linux. This is Ubuntu 22.04 version, okay? So actually Snort is a intrusion detection system. So we are going to install that tool inside this Ubuntu Linux machine. Let me zoom it so that you guys can watch it clearly, the code, everything. Okay, so you guys can see the IP address of this Ubuntu Linux is 192.168.29.22. Just type the command apt update before running installing anything. Just run this command apt update and update the repository. Once you updated the repository, clear the screen, and the next command will be apt install Snort. Okay, this is the tool we want to install. -y for yes, and this will install. Okay, so now here you have to type your network address. So in my case, my network address is 192.168.29.0. as you can see, the IP address /24. Here you have to give the network address and not the host address. Okay, click on OK and done. And done. Now the Snort has been successfully installed. Now how will you find the configuration file for Snort? You have to go inside cd etc snort folder. Okay, and once you go here and you run ls command, here you can see snort.conf. so cat snort.conf. this is the configuration file for Snort. Now how to launch or start the Snort? Before launching it, let me show you the IP address of this machine. So if config command show you the IP address 192.168.29.22. so remember this IP address. I am going to launch the command Snort. So snort-a console. So I am going to launch this intrusion detection program that is known as Snort. Console -c and the name of the configuration file etc Snort. Okay, etc Snort. So you have to give the configuration file path here, snort.conf. okay, now I just given this configuration file, press enter. Now I am going to a Kali Linux machine. I have already installed a Kali Linux machine. I am going to log in inside this machine. I already shown how to install Kali Linux. If you don't know, you can see the video in the playlist button, okay, in cyber security lab. So now this is my Kali Linux machine. Let's check the IP address of if config. Okay, the IP address of my Kali Linux machine is 192.168.29.210. this is my Kali Linux machine. Now I am going to do network monitoring on this. I am going to do the scan, okay, using nmap tool from the Kali Linux, and let's see what is happening on the screen. So I'm just running nmap and the IP -pn and the IP address of Ubuntu Linux machine 192.168.29.22 and just press enter. And now you can see here, once I press enter, you can see this Ubuntu machine will detect. Okay, this machine will detect something, and let me show you the detection. So you can see it has detected that leak information, attempted information leak priority to TCP packets, the packets coming from IP 192.168.29.210. okay, so this some packets are coming, something happened from here. Okay, you can also see here this IP 192.168.29.210. you can see the IP address. It's telling that attempted information leak. So nmap is used for information gathering, and I have used this command on my Ubuntu machine, and that Ubuntu machine Snort software, which is also known as intrusion detection system, has detected that someone is trying to leak the information, and it got the IP address of my Kali Linux machine. You can see the IP address of my Kali Linux machine 192.168.29.210. that has been revealed here. Okay, you can see 210. You can see 192.168.29.210, and it has clearly mentioned attempted information leak. So this information has been detected by the intrusion detection tool, that is Snort. That's why we configure intrusion detection system on any machine or any server. If someone try to hack your system, someone try to do some attempt to gather information of your system, you will know that who is trying to gather your information, which machine is trying to do the attack on you. Okay, you will get all the information related to those IP who is trying to attack on your system. Okay, later on I will show you the another methods to do these attacks, and I will also show you how you can detect DOS attack using this intrusion detection tool in the next video. So keep watching, and if you have any doubt you can ask me through the comment section. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching.